Well, we're on the road once again for Live to Play and SoundProLive, speaking with Mike Babcock, monitor engineer for the heavy metal band Trivium from Orlando, Florida. When we caught up with Mike, the band had just finished sound check. So the tour started in Minneapolis. You've been out now for how long?
A little over a month.
Okay, and it's been the same three groups at each stop?
Yeah, we've had a couple festivals in the whole thing, but yeah, it's been the three bands. Volbeat's headlining, we're in the middle, main support, and then Digital Summer is opening up.
And how long are you going to be out on this tour?
This actual tour ends in about 5 more shows, but we have some headline shows and some other shows coming up after that where we don't go home for another 3 or 4 weeks.
What are the biggest challenges you run into just making sure that the band's hearing what they need to hear?
It's all communication. It's all in finding out what they liked and what they didn't like about particular shows, and sort of guessing, educated guesses on different rooms and how they normally sound. The whole band is on in-ears, so everything the band needs to, each individual member needs to hear, I need to give that to them so they can hear like certain cues, hear certain things.
And how do they communicate with you?
Sign language, and everyone has their own.
Now a show like this is obviously very loud.
We don't have any guitar amps on stage. The only noise coming from the stage is drums. So all of our guitar amps are the Kemper guitar amps, and it's all digital modeling. It sounds perfect all the time. Like, you don't have to worry about a mic moving a quarter of an inch and completely changing the tone.
And you're using for this as the monitor mixture the Yamaha?
Yeah, the Yamaha QL5. It's brand new and it's been working flawlessly, knocking on wood.
What do you like most about it?
The size. It's very compact. It's the size of an LS9, but it sounds better than a PM5D.
So you selected the Yamaha mixer personally, correct?
Yeah, we had a bunch of choices. We were doing a bunch of festivals, and all the festivals had 5Ds. So we wanted to stay within the Yamaha family, but we didn't want to carry something as big as a 5D, so we were looking for something smaller. We were actually looking at the CL1 or the CL5, somewhere in that size, and Claire came out with a QL5, said they could get it in time for our tour, asked us if we wanted to do it. Absolutely. So what I was saying is you can see what's happening with the gate, the compressor, and the relative level right here. And if it's a black square, it's muted. So you can see everything that's going on right here. We pretty much try to get the gear that we want and ask them how much it is and see if it fits in our budget. You know, we pick the gear for Volbeat and for us. They have a whole control package for Volbeat, including a whole stage monitor system. We have a monitor console, a Snake system, and a front of house console. The front of house console is a Behringer X32 running the Midas preamps.